how to upload Reels on Facebook. The first thing you want to do is go ahead and open your Facebook app. Now once you do that, you can see that there's a plus sign at the very top right corner, so go ahead and click on that. And you can see at the third option it says Reel, so click on it. So you can select whatever video that you want, or you can record it right now and select different music effects or use a green screen. So I'm just going to select this video for now. And once you do that, you can add different audio here and add a text, different effects, stickers, and then you can also save it to your gallery. So once you're done editing, you can click next at the very bottom right corner. So here it shows who can see this, and you can add any caption right here, and you can just type in anything that you want. And once you're done, you can press share now by clicking on this.